Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So, in this lesson we're going to carry on with the opponent strikes code. And we're going to begin by coming to the public enum opponent AI state. And we'll create a new function, wait for strike animations this time. Okay, with that done, let's come to our switch block. We'll copy and paste all 3 lines for the wait for hit animations. We'll paste it in below. And obviously we'll change this to our new naming convention. Let's just paste it in below there. We will get an error until we've created the function, but we'll deal with that shortly. And now we're going to come down to the choose attack state. So here we are. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change these ORs to double ands. Again, I'll change it in the comments, and in fact I'll just copy and paste that over all the comments. And I just find this works better. There was some glitching with the animation using OR, but that's totally fixed by switching to AND. So let's come to the switch block in this function now. And we're going to come here just before the very last close bracket. So between these two, we're going to say if open and close brackets, inside the brackets, choose attack, double equals, and we want opponent AI dot choose attack dot low punch. We'll put this into the comments. So if choose attack equals low punch, and in fact I'm going to change that. I used low and high punch because I just got it in my brain because we have high and low kicks, but we actually have left and right punch. So let's just change that in the enum. So low becomes left, high becomes right. It will create some red errors, but we'll fix those now. So we'll just change that to left punch and right punch. And we'll change that here as well. And I'll just find a line where we switch the AI states. And we'll copy and paste that in. So let's have a look here. And we need to change to opponent left punch. We'll copy and paste that into the comments. And let's just copy that if block. And I'm sure you've all guessed what we're going to do. We're just going to change out the variables for the other 3 attacks. So next one, right punch, opponent, right punch, We'll just tidy up and we'll change the comments. Should be left punch for the first one. So this one will be low kick, because we do have a high and low kick, so we'll change that in the comments. We'll change the state. So the last one is going to be high kick and opponent high kick. And we'll just change the last of the comments. Actually, we really should change these naming conventions now, so let's do that. And we'll come to the variables low punch, high punch, so we'll change low to left. And in fact, let's have a look. We'll just come to rename. So low to left punch min, and the same for max. Change low to left in the comments. So high punch right. High punch range, sorry, we've changed to right. And we'll change it there as well. We'll change that into the comments. And we'll just come down, make sure everything's changed correctly. And it has. So we'll just quickly tidy all that up. And now everything is correct. So now we've done that, we need to come to the actual voids for the strikes. And all we need to do is, again, I'll copy a line where we change the states. We'll paste it into opponent left punch. And we need to change this to wait for strike animations. And we'll copy and paste that into the comment. We'll just tidy everything up. And we can copy and paste that into right punch. It doesn't require any changes. And finally for high kick. Now this void, wait for hit animations, we're going to copy that. So we'll copy and paste that in, and we're going to change this to our new function, wait for strike animations. Copy and paste in the debug log. And as you can see here, the red error has disappeared. If I come back up, that is now fixed. And we just need to change these naming conventions here. So underscore opponent, let's have a look, punch left anim, we'll change the comment, if left punch animation is playing, do nothing and return. Opponent punch right anim, and we've just got to go through and do the same for the kicks. So let's just copy both of those, we'll paste them in below. For kick low, and finally for kick high. So let's just save that off. We'll downsize Visual Studio, and just bear with me a moment while I plug my gamepad in, and we'll test it out. So let's hit play. Now just one word of note, in my resources folder you can see I've already gone ahead and assigned the actual strike animations. So let's go
Round
through.
1. Fight.
So the opponent's walked towards us and is now choosing animations to strike. Obviously we have no code yet to register these hits. We'll be doing that shortly. It's much the same as when we were doing the player movement and we need the opponent to react. But as you can see, we are playing the animations, we are moving towards the player, and it does choose different animations. So let's stop that there. I think we'll leave it here for this lesson. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.